Hi and I welcome you to this lecture. For most of us, hosting a WebEx meeting will be a rare or less frequent requirement. But most of us will get a frequent requirement to attend a WebEx meeting hosted by others. In this lecture, I will talk about joining to a WebEx meeting as a participant. In my previous lecture, I gave a demo on hosting a meeting. You could have noticed that the only participant is the meeting host. This is because the only person we invited to join the meeting didn't join. This is the invitation mail sent to account B to join the WebEx meeting. Here we have to click the join button to join the meeting. If you don't have a WebEx account, you can join as a guest by giving a display name and email address. If you have a WebEx account, you can sign in and join the meeting. After joining the meeting, you have to dial in to have conversation with your team members. Similarly, you should turn on the video if you want participants to see your face when you talk. Notice that now we have two participants in this meeting. One is the host and other is an attendee. You can find who is currently speaking by watching the speaker tag. The name of the participant who is speaking will appear here. There is also an inbuilt chat room in WebEx where you can send messages to any individual person in meeting or to all participants in the meeting. Here I have selected everyone in the drop-down menu to send message to all participants of the meeting. Notice that once I send the message, it's appearing in the chat window of all participants. Anyone in the meeting can leave by clicking on Leave Meeting button. In case host leaves the meeting, the person who joined the meeting next to host will be made as a host. Or the person who is in meeting for a very long period of time will be made as a host. Once done with meeting, the host can end the meeting. To do this, click on Leave Meeting and then click on End Meeting. Before leaving or ending the meeting, the host can also decide who should have access to meeting space. If the host doesn't want a person to have access to meeting space, he just have to uncheck him here before leaving or ending the meeting. By doing so, the person doesn't have permission to have access to meeting further. You can customize the panels in your meeting windows by using these three icons. Here the panels I am talking about are Participants, Chat and Recorder panel. For example, if you don't want to see Participants and Chat panel in your meeting window, just click on Participants and Chat icon once. Notice that the panels disappeared after clicking. If you want it to reappear again, just click on Participants and Chat icon again and you will see the respective panels reappearing. In case if you want to quickly post meeting details to someone, you can just grab it by selecting Meeting Info tab on top of the meeting window. Another way of joining a meeting is by entering the meeting number. You can just grab the meeting number from your Meeting Info tab and post it to someone else whom you want to join the meeting. The person who wants to join should just click on Join by Number in WebEx homepage and should just paste the meeting number and click Join. The meeting will be loaded and the person will join the meeting.